Hey, Lynn here with Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to join two granny squares for any of the projects that you might be doing. Put them like close together, right sides, pick which side you want to have your right sides up, and then put the right sides together. Start at one of the corners, and you want to take your special yarn needle that's got the bent tip because it makes it easier. Start at one of the corners. Go in and pick up two of the threads. Bring your thread pretty close. We can trim that up. And then we want to go through that. Whoops, it went through that time. That will happen. Then you want to go through it. We'll hold that so it doesn't go through again this time. A couple of times to secure it. Okay, so now what you want to do is go through each one of these just like we did. Picking up one on each side. And it's a whip stitch. We just go the length of this. Picking up one thread on each side. And we go the whole length of the sides. And you just make sure that you keep lined up as you go. And sometimes it hangs up on something. So continue like this until you get to the end. Okay, I've sewn most of the way along here and we've gotten close to the end. And so we continue picking up one from each side until we get right in the corner here. Oh, my yarn is kind of curling up. And so I think that's close enough in the corner. And so you do, again, you just take a couple of stitches. And then what I like to do is I like to wind this back through the same color yarn. Just do a little bit of weaving in and out, picking up one or two pieces of the yarn. And then go back and do it the other direction. And this will really secure it. Okay, and then trim your yarn. And here's what it looks like on the front side. Really nice. And here's what it looks like on the back side. So you can see a little bit of your stitching in the one color thread on the other. So that's how to join crochet squares.